If you want to render a transparent background in Blender, there are really two important parts you need to get right: making the render itself transparent and saving the alpha channel so your final image actually keeps that transparency. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact settings step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to export a clean, transparent render without getting stuck with a black background. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and beginner-friendly guides. Let's start inside Blender. First, look over to the Render Properties tab. This is the icon that looks like the back of a DSLR camera, and this is where Blender keeps your render settings. Once you click into that tab, scroll down until you find the Film section. The Film section controls how Blender handles the background during rendering. Inside Film, you'll see a checkbox called Transparent. Go ahead and enable that option. The moment you turn this on, Blender will stop rendering the world background as a solid, visible environment. Instead, your viewport and render preview will show a gray checkerboard pattern behind your model, which means the background is now transparent. This is the first major step, and it's the one people often miss when they wonder why their render still has a background showing up. Now, even if your render looks transparent in the preview, you still are not finished yet. This next step is absolutely crucial if you want to preserve that transparency when you save the file. So now move over to the Output Properties tab. This is the icon that looks like a small printer printing a photo. In this section, Blender controls how your final output file gets saved. Under the Output section, find File Format. For a transparent still image, choose PNG. If you're working on a higher-end production workflow, OpenEXR is also a great option, but the most important part is what comes next. Change the color setting from RGB to RGBA. That extra A stands for alpha, and the alpha channel is what stores transparency information. If you leave it on RGB, Blender will throw away the transparency data, and you may end up with a solid black or solid background in your final image instead. So remember, RGB means regular color only, while RGBA includes the alpha channel. This is the key setting that makes transparency actually survive the export. If you're rendering a still image, PNG is usually the easiest choice because it supports alpha and works well for most projects. If you need more professional compositing or extra flexibility, OpenEXR can give you more advanced image data. Either way, the important thing is that the file format you choose must support transparency and the color mode must include alpha. Now, if your goal is a transparent video, there's one more thing you should know. Standard MP4 files cannot be transparent. MP4 is great for normal video delivery, but it does not support an alpha channel. So if you need a video with transparency, you'll want to render as a PNG sequence, or use a QuickTime format with a codec that supports alpha, such as Qt Animation or ProRes 4444. That way your transparency is preserved for editing or compositing in other software. So let's quickly recap the process. First, go to Render Properties. Second, open the Film section and enable Transparent. Third, go to Output Properties. Fourth, set your file format to PNG or OpenEXR. And fifth, make sure the color mode is RGBA so the alpha channel is included. If you follow those steps, your background will render transparently the way you want it to. And that's how you render a transparent background in Blender the right way. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Blender tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.